I was exploring some ancient artifacts back in the 80s and I touched an object, and now I don't have any hair. And I really want some wavy long hair, so here's how you draw it.
Today, I'll be covering one of my favorite hairstyles. I'll be covering more in the future. First, set up the face by drawing a circle, then a line down the middle, ending about a third past the bottom of the circle. Draw a slightly arched line 2/3 down the circle, then an inverted arch underneath, almost touching the circle. From the edge of the circle, draw a downwards arch that comes to a point at the middle line, and repeat for the other side. Place 2 lines on either side of the base of the head, coming down from the middle of each jawline. Draw a diagonal from the bottom of the neckline, then the shoulder curve, repeating on the other side. The shoulders don't have to be perfect, they're a reference point. Inside the head, draw an arching hairline from ear to ear. Then, place 2 ears where the middle lines up with the eye guidelines, with the top of the ear as tall as the top guide and the bottom of the ear as low as the bottom of the circle. Stake 2 lines through the top of the head, each about a third head apart. Draw a wavy line from the right head line, down the left side and ending past the circles, doing the same thing on the other side. From the bottom of the hairlines, sketch curvy V's until the lines connect to the side of the neck. Now, starting from the bottom V corners, draw some curvy lines going up the hair. Make sure to finish the bottom portion before migrating up the scalp. Alternatively, start from the top of the head and draw large curves, creating large sections of hair to further divide. When creating lines from the sides, start from the lowest point until reaching another line to end at. Draw some curvy bangs if you'd like. Repeat on the other side. Don't worry about making the hair super even, focus on the waviness. Another way to create lines is to connect 2 lines with a curvy diagonal line. Create a new layer and lower the opacity of the sketch to 30%. Outline the sketch on the new layer, starting with the face structure, then moving to the hair. Loosely adhere to the sketch layer structure, keeping the same motions but not so focused on replicating the sketch 100%. When placing lines in the hair, draw the lines as one stroke for a cleaner look. If your hair looks weird like mine, a simple way to fix it is to add more lines, but be careful adding more lines than necessary, as it'll make the hair look too busy. And that's it, how to draw long wavy hair. If you have any suggestions what to draw next, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time on ASC Tutorials.
What? My hair is back? What? I cannot believe it! Wow! It's here! I'm glad that I drew the hair now that it's on my head. It's pretty great. Hope y'all liked how to draw wavy hair.